We turn our attention now to South St. James, where banana farmers have lost it all. Romardo Lyons has that story.
Uprooted banana trees lay flat. Those still standing show visible damage, bending at the middle. Farmlands are finally dry after flooding caused by Hurricane Beryl, but not much remains. It's the reality for farmers across South St. James. Now, speaking to those affected, it's like a sad, repetitive chorus.
And the banana, them blow down completely.
Everything gone.
Yeah, them blow down bad.
For James, the blocks behind him are symbolic of his current mission, rebuilding from scratch.
They will take everything, the whole of the banana. All of them. Everything lay down flat. We can't even estimate the banana because you know, say banana standing crop. And banana is a thing that keep shooting and pulling right through the year.
This was one of the very few instances where banana was seen on a tree. Another set here. But all around them, a crowd of fallen branches. Farmer James, saddened, is now hoping for the ear of Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
If you can give me a portion of fertilizer and give me, and if you can give me some money and give me. Okay. One out of the two.
Another just wants 15 bags of manure. It's not a demand, he says, but rather an urgent plea.
So we need some help right now. I mean, like next week we need some help right now. As quick as we can get it, put ourselves on feet because we help feed farmers, the people them about around here. Man to go beer and chill on it, we help them. So if we can get some help in a better food right and quicker food.
By the look of things, the truck to the market later this week will be empty.
No banana for the market, but we have the spoil right now. Oh God, man, big loss for the farmer right now, man. We just look at if things can't go out, it can't come in. We just have them in the spoil pan. We take the feed, again, some we not have bag.
In recent years, Raymond Cook has been struggling with an ailment. His farm then became even more important as he tries to stay afloat. But now,
everything gone. And there is no help coming to me.
Nonetheless, this kind of setback isn't new.
I have done before, Gilbert, Dean, and Ivan. But we really get a bounce back and everything come back together.
Call it a 500,000. And my daughter lose about 200,000 water plant, and my son lose about $200,000 water banana.
Member of Parliament for South St. James, Homer Davis, toured the ravaged farms Tuesday. There was no bending the truth.
Boy, them get a hard beating. Mr. Banana field flattened. Acres and acres of banana field flattened now. As their member of Parliament, they can rest assured that I will have to work with them to make sure that I put them back on them feet. It is important because we feed the people of St. James from up in Upper St. James here.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.